Today we are fixing this incredibly loud Broan ceiling fan for the bathroom. I'm going to turn on the light and you can see how crazy loud it is. I'm going to show you guys how to replace this fan today. First thing we're going to do is take the old fan apart. So there's a hex nut in there. I'm going to use this to open the hex nut. It is a 10mm hex nut. Okay, opening that hex nut, you see the fan assembly. I'm going to unplug the fan. And then I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver to pry some tabs open so we can release the fan. So this is a look at the old fan. See how dirty and gunked up it is. And this is the new fan. Look how clean it is. You probably couldn't see it up there, but these are the tabs right here. And this is the tab that I needed to pry out right here. This tab locks into the frame and this one releases it. Alright, it's all plugged in now. You can see already hear how quiet it is. Now I'm going to put the housing assembly back in. Alright, we're done. Now I'm going to put the lid back on. My light is not on because I have other lights in here. I'm not using this light, so I left it unplugged. But if you have a light, you can plug it in and it probably would work again. So as you can see, it was a pretty quick fix, and I'll link you to the fan on Amazon. It was about 50 bucks. Got to me in 2 days, so it was pretty quick. So you have a Broan fan that's this shape and your fan is making a lot of noise or not working. This is how you replace it.